In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage invoices on Xero, making sure you can send them out to your clients quickly and efficiently. Keeping on top of invoicing is crucial for maintaining healthy cash flow in your business, and thankfully Xero makes this process relatively straightforward. So let's dive in and explore how you can start invoicing with Xero in just a few easy steps. First, you'll want to navigate to the Xero homepage. Simply type in Xero's web address in your browser and hit enter. You'll find yourself looking at the entry point to a world of streamlined financial management. Upon reaching the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a login button. Click on this button to begin the process of accessing your account. This is your gateway to managing your financial activities in Xero, including the invoicing we're focusing on today. Next, it's time to enter your credentials. In the designated fields, type in your email address and the password you chose when you created your Xero account. This step is of course all about security, ensuring that only you have access to your business's sensitive financial data. After entering your details, proceed by clicking on the login button. This action will take you into your Xero dashboard, a hub from where you can manage an array of financial operations, from tracking your spending to, most importantly for our purposes today, creating invoices. Once inside your dashboard, you're going to want to navigate to the business section of Xero. If you're unsure where this is, look for a link labeled business. It should be easily found in the main navigation menu of your dashboard. Clicking this will take you closer to the invoicing feature we're aiming for. After entering the business section, your next step is to click on invoices. This action will redirect you to the invoicing area of Xero, where all your invoicing operations will begin. This section is where the magic happens, enabling you to create new invoices, view outstanding invoices, and keep track of payments coming into your business. Now, for the main event, creating a new invoice. Look for a button or link that says New Invoice. This is your cue to start the invoice creation process. Clicking on New Invoice will open up a new page or form within Xero where you can begin entering the details of the invoice you wish to create. This step is crucial as it's where you'll detail the services or products you're charging for, the costs associated with them, and any tax implications. Be thorough and precise. Accuracy here can save you a great deal of time and potential headaches later. Xero's interface is designed to guide you through each part of the invoice, from adding client details to specifying payment terms. Remember, an invoice is more than just a bill. It's a reflection of your business. Xero gives you options to customize your invoices, allowing you to add your business's branding for that professional touch. Take a moment to explore these options and ensure your invoices represent your business exactly how you want them to. Additionally, Xero offers features to automate some parts of the invoicing process. For instance, if you have regular clients or recurring charges, Xero can automatically generate invoices for these, saving you time each month. It's worth looking into these features and setting them up to suit your business needs. Once you've entered all necessary information and you're satisfied with how your invoice looks, it's time to send it off. Xero provides options for emailing the invoice directly from the platform or downloading it as a PDF to send manually. Choose the method that works best for you and your clients, and there you have it. You've successfully created and sent an invoice using Xero. With practice, this process will become second nature, allowing you to manage your invoicing quickly and efficiently, giving you more time to focus on other aspects of your business. Remember, every business is unique, and so are its invoicing needs. As you become more familiar with Xero's invoicing features, don't hesitate to explore more advanced functions and settings that can help streamline your financial operations even further. Good luck, and here's to getting those invoices out and payments in with efficiency and ease.